Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Chatter. I'm Elliot Carter, and I am so ready for today's deep dive. We're going to be talking all about Coinrule.
Oh, yeah.
It's this platform that's been making some serious waves
Definitely.
by letting you automate your crypto trading strategies
Mhm.
without needing to code.
Right.
It's basically like having your own personal trading bot,
Yeah,
but way less intimidating.
for sure.
I'm with Mira Bennett today,
Hey, everyone.
who's going to help us unpack all of this.
Absolutely. I think we've got a ton of really great material to dig into today.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to explore what makes Coinrule tick and why it might just be the perfect tool
Yeah.
to level up your trading game.
Before we get into all the details, though,
Brr.
quick reminder to prioritize your crypto security.
Yes.
A cold wallet is an absolute must-have for protecting your assets.
Absolutely.
And we really recommend checking out the Ledger Stacks or the Trezor Safe 5 for that top-notch security.
Definitely.
You can find links to those in our show notes, along with a study guide and quiz to test your Coinrule knowledge.
Oh, nice.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Chatter so you don't miss out on any future deep dives.
Please do.
So let's get back to Coinrule. What I find really fascinating is that it uses this if this then that logic,
Right.
which honestly sounds really intuitive.
Yeah.
Can you maybe give us a real-world example of how that works
Right.
in practice?
Absolutely. So imagine you believe Bitcoin is about to rally, but you don't want to be like constantly monitoring the charts
Yeah.
for the perfect entry point.
Yeah.
With Coinrule, you could set a rule that says if Bitcoin's price crosses above, let's say, $30,000, then buy $500 worth.
Okay.
This way, you are automatically in position to capitalize on that upward movement without being glued to your screen.
That's really slick.
Yeah.
It's like setting a sophisticated buy order
Yeah,
that takes into account those specific market conditions.
exactly.
But what about when things go the other way? Let's say the market takes a sudden dip.
Uh-huh.
How can Coinrule help you to kind of manage that risk?
Well, risk management is key, and Coinrule has you covered there as well.
Right.
You can set what are called stop-loss orders that automatically sell your holdings if a coin drops below a certain price,
Right.
limiting your potential losses.
Okay.
So, for example, you could set a rule that says if Bitcoin drops below $28,000, then sell 50% of my holdings.
Okay.
This helps to protect your capital during those volatile market swings.
Which we know
Yeah,
are very common in the crypto markets.
for sure.
That makes a lot of sense. It takes the emotion out of trading,
Definitely.
which I think can be a real challenge for people,
Oh, absolutely.
especially in the heat of the moment.
Yeah, when you panic,
Yeah.
and you make a rash decision,
Yeah.
it's all about having a plan and sticking to it,
Yeah.
even when your emotions are running high.
Right.
And Coinrule helps you to execute that plan with precision.
Speaking of plans, I know Coinrule also has these pre-built trading strategy templates.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about those?
Ne-
And why they might be useful for someone who's just starting out with automated trading?
For sure. Pre-built templates are a fantastic way to get started with Coinrule,
Yeah.
especially if you are new to automated trading
Aye.
or even trading in general.
Right.
They are essentially ready-made strategies
Okay.
based on common trading approaches.
Uh-huh.
So, for example, there is a template for trend following,
Okay.
which is all about riding the momentum of an asset's price movement.
Okay.
It's like surfing a wave.
Okay.
You're catching the upward or downward swing and riding it until that trend breaks.
I like that analogy.
Yeah.
That makes it a lot easier to grasp.
Yeah.
So you're saying that even if someone is completely new to trading, they could jump in and start experimenting with these pre-built strategies
Yeah.
without needing to understand the intricacies of technical analysis or coding.
Exactly. It lowers the barrier to entry and allows beginners to start experimenting with different strategies in a risk-free environment using the platform's paper trading feature.
Hold on. You mentioned paper trading. Can you break down what that means for our listeners who might not be familiar with that term?
Sure, paper trading is essentially a simulation
Okay.
that lets you practice trading without risking any real money.
So it's not actually your money.
Yeah, you are basically trading with virtual funds.
Got it.
So you can test different strategies, get a feel for the platform, and see how your decisions would play out in a real market environment, all without putting your capital at risk.
That's a fantastic feature, especially for those of us who are still learning the ropes.
Yeah,
It's like a flight simulator
it is.
for traders.
Uh-huh.
It allows you to gain experience and confidence before taking off into the real market.
Exactly. It's a safe space to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them without any financial consequences. And speaking of security, don't forget that protecting your crypto assets is crucial even when you're paper trading.
Right.
A cold wallet like the Ledger Stacks or Trezor Safe 5 can provide that extra layer of protection you need.
Yeah, that's a great point and a timely reminder. We can't stress enough the importance of securing your crypto.
For sure.
But let's get back to Coinrule. What I'm really curious about is how it handles the vast universe of cryptocurrencies out there.
Okay.
Are you limited to trading only the most popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum?
Uh-huh.
Or can you use Coinrule to trade any coin that you want?
You can trade any coin that you want.
Really?
That's one of the things that sets Coinrule apart.
Oh,
It's
God.
incredibly versatile. You're not limited to just those big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Mm-hmm.
Coinrule's any coin scanner allows you to track and trade virtually any cryptocurrency that is available on the exchanges that it supports.
Wow. So you're telling me I could use Coinrule to automate my trades for even the most obscure altcoins out there?
That's right.
That's really impressive.
Whether you're into DeFi tokens, meme coins, or anything in between,
Right.
Coinrule gives you the flexibility to create automated strategies for whatever catches your eye in the crypto market.
That opens up a world of possibilities.
It does.
It's like having a Swiss Army knife for crypto trading.
Uh-huh.
You can tailor it to your specific needs and interests.
Exactly. It's all about empowering you to take control of your trading and execute your strategies with precision.
Okay, I'm sold.
Uh-huh.
But let's say I'm someone who's already comfortable with some of those more advanced trading tools and techniques.
Yeah.
Does Coinrule still have something to offer experienced traders like me?
Absolutely. Coinrule doesn't just cater to beginners.
Okay.
It also packs a punch for seasoned traders who want more control and flexibility.
Okay.
For example, it integrates with TradingView, which is a very popular platform for charting and technical analysis.
Now, I know TradingView is a powerful tool
It is.
that's used by some serious chart wizards.
Yeah, definitely.
How does that integration work?
Okay.
And what kind of benefits does it offer to those experienced traders?
Well, the TradingView integration opens up a whole new level of customization and sophistication. It allows you to incorporate advanced technical indicators, custom scripts,
Okay.
and even your own unique trading insights into your automated strategies.
So it's like having a direct line
It is.
from your TradingView charts
Yes,
to your Coinrule trading bot.
that's right.
That sounds incredibly powerful.
It is very powerful.
So you're saying that someone who is already comfortable with TradingView's charting tools and indicators
Uh-huh.
can essentially bring that expertise into Coinrule
Yeah,
and create even more complex and nuanced trading strategies.
that's exactly right. It bridges the gap between technical analysis and automated execution, giving you the best of both worlds.
Wow, this is getting really interesting. I'm starting to see how Coinrule can appeal to a wide range of traders,
Yeah.
from beginners to seasoned pros.
Yeah, for sure.
But before we go any further, I want to make sure our listeners have all the resources they need to follow along and learn more.
Okay.
So just a quick reminder, you can find links to the Ledger Stacks and Trezor Safe 5 cold wallets in the show notes, along with that quiz and study guide to test your knowledge.
Awesome.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Chatter for more deep dives like this one.
Please do.
Okay, so back to Coinrule.
Hmm.
We've talked a lot about its features and flexibility.
Yeah.
But what about the actual process of getting started?
Okay.
Let's walk through how someone would actually sign up and create their first trading strategy on Coinrule.
Sure. Well, the first step is to head over to Coinrule's website and create an account.
Okay.
Once you're in, you'll be greeted by their intuitive dashboard, which is designed to be very user-friendly, even for those who are new to trading platforms.
Okay. So I've got my account set up. Now what? Do I need to be like a coding whiz
No,
to start building my own trading strategies?
not at all. That's the beauty of Coinrule.
Okay.
They have this drag and drop rule editor that makes it super easy to create even complex strategies without writing any code.
So no coding at all?
No coding at all. It's all visual and very intuitive.
That sounds very reassuring. Can you maybe walk me through what that process looks like?
Sure. So let's say you want to create a strategy that buys a certain amount of Ethereum.
Okay.
Whenever its price dips below a specific threshold.
Okay.
In the rule editor, you would simply select Ethereum as your asset. Then you choose the price trigger and set it to less than your desired price point.
Okay.
Then you would drag and drop the buy action
Right.
and specify the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase.
Okay.
It's really as simple as that.
Wow. So I'm basically building a set of instructions for Coinrule to follow
You got it.
based on my own trading criteria.
Uh-huh.
It's like creating a flow chart for my crypto investments.
That's a great way to think about it.
So it's visual.
Yes.
It's step by step.
Yeah. And the rule editor gives you a lot of flexibility to build strategies that align with your individual trading style and risk tolerance.
Okay.
You can use a variety of triggers like price changes, indicator signals, and even events from your TradingView account.
Oh, wow. Okay, so it can get pretty advanced.
It can.
But you can also keep it simple.
You can, depending on your comfort level.
I'm starting to see how powerful this could be. It's like taking all those trading ideas I have in my head and translating them into actionable steps that Coinrule can then execute for me automatically.
Exactly. It's like having a tireless trading assistant working 24/7 to monitor the markets and execute your strategies even when you're sleeping.
That's what I call passive income potential. But before I go live and unleash my strategies on the market, is there a way to test them out?
Yes.
And just make sure that they're working as intended?
Absolutely. That's where the paper trading feature comes in.
Okay.
Before risking any real capital.
Right.
You can test your strategies on a simulated exchange using those virtual funds.
Okay. So like a demo account.
Pretty much.
Okay.
It lets you see how your rules would perform in a real market environment and tweak them as needed before you go live.
That's incredibly valuable. It's like having a dress rehearsal for your trading plan.
Yeah.
You can iron out any kinks and fine-tune your strategy before the big show.
Exactly. It gives you the confidence to go live knowing that your strategies have been battle-tested and are ready for the real market.
Okay. Yeah. So I've built my strategy. I've back-tested it on the paper trading platform.
Yep.
And I'm feeling good about it.
Yeah.
What's next? How do I actually connect Coinrule to my exchange and start automating my trades for real?
Okay, so it's a very smooth process. Coinrule integrates seamlessly with a wide range of popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase Pro Kraken, and many more. You simply select your exchange from the list, connect your API keys, and you're good to go.
Wait, API keys?
Yeah.
That sounds a bit technical.
It does sound technical.
Can you explain what those are?
Yeah.
And why they're needed?
Of course. So API keys are basically like digital credentials that allow Coinrule to communicate with your exchange account securely. Don't worry, it's all done through a secure and encrypted connection.
Okay.
You can find your API keys on your exchange's website. And the process of connecting them to Coinrule is usually pretty straightforward and well documented.
So it's all about establishing a secure link between Coinrule
Yeah.
and my exchange account so they can talk to each other and execute my trades automatically.
Exactly.
Speaking of security, this might be a good time to remind our listeners about the importance of protecting their crypto assets.
For sure.
Especially if they're going to be connecting their exchanges to a platform like Coinrule.
Absolutely. This is where cold wallets become even more crucial.
Right.
A cold wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline.
Right.
Making it virtually impossible for hackers to access your funds.
That's like Fort Knox.
It is.
Of crypto security.
Yeah.
You mentioned the Ledger Stacks and Trezor Safe 5 as being good options, but there's so many cold wallets out there.
There are.
How do you know which one is right for you?
Well, it depends on your individual needs and preferences.
Okay.
Factors to consider include security features, ease of use, supported cryptocurrencies, and of course, price.
Right.
You can head over to cryptochatter.co.uk to learn more about keeping your crypto safe.
Okay.
And explore the various cold wallet options that are available.
Excellent advice. Protecting your crypto is absolutely paramount.
It is.
And for our listeners who are just starting their crypto journey, we've got a handy study guide and quiz waiting for you in the show notes to help you level up your knowledge.
Awesome.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Chatter for more insights and deep dives into the exciting world of crypto.
Please do.
Okay, back to our Coinrule exploration.
Yeah.
We've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
From the basics of automated trading to the ins and outs of using Coinrule. What stands out to you as the most compelling aspect of this platform?
I think it's really the combination of accessibility and power that impresses me. Coinrule manages to make sophisticated trading strategies accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background.
Right.
It's a game changer for those who want to take their trading to the next level without needing to become coding experts.
I completely agree. It's like they've democratized access to those advanced trading tools and strategies.
Yeah.
But I'm also curious about the other side of the coin. Are there any potential downsides or limitations to using a platform like Coinrule that our listeners should be aware of?
That's a great question. It's important to remember that no trading system, automated or not, is foolproof.
Right.
The crypto market is inherently volatile,
Yeah.
and there's always a risk of losing money.
So you're saying that while Coinrule can help you execute your strategies with precision
Yes.
and potentially improve your trading outcomes,
Uh-huh.
it's not a magic bullet that guarantees profits.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
still crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved,
Uh-huh.
and manage your expectations.
Makes sense.
Hmm?
It's about using Coinrule as a tool to enhance your trading,
Yeah.
not to replace your own judgment and risk management skills.
Exactly. It's about empowering you to trade smarter,
Yeah.
not harder.
Okay, so it's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
No.
It's a powerful tool that can help you execute your trading strategies more effectively.
Yes.
But it still requires a solid understanding of the markets and a responsible approach to risk management.
That's right. And it's worth mentioning that the crypto landscape is constantly evolving.
Right.
New technologies, regulations,
Mm-hmm.
and market trends can emerge very quickly.
Yeah.
And it's important to stay informed and adapt your strategies accordingly.
So even if you are using a platform like Coinrule to automate your trades,
Right.
you can't just set it and forget it.
You can.
You have to stay on top of things.
You do. It's
Right.
important to monitor your trades, review your strategies regularly,
Right.
and make adjustments as needed to stay ahead of the curve. And as always, keeping your crypto secure is paramount.
Speaking of security, I think we've hammered home the importance of cold wallets today.
We have.
But it's worth repeating. If you are serious about protecting your crypto, invest in a cold wallet like the Ledger Stacks or Trezor Safe 5.
Yes.
You can find links to those in the show notes.
You can.
Now, before we wrap up our Coinrule deep dive,
Sure.
I'm curious to hear your thoughts on one more thing. We've talked a lot about how Coinrule can help individual traders.
Yeah.
But I'm wondering if you see any broader implications for the future of crypto trading as platforms like this become more prevalent.
That's a fascinating question. It's clear that platforms like Coinrule are lowering the barriers to entry for algorithmic trading, which traditionally was only accessible to institutions and high net worth individuals.
So you're saying that we're witnessing like a democratization
Yeah.
of these sophisticated trading tools?
Yeah.
Putting the power of automation into the hands of everyday traders.
Exactly. And I think this will have a profound impact on the crypto trading landscape. We could even see a surge in the number of people engaging in algorithmic trading.
Oh, wow.
Leading to a more efficient and potentially less volatile market.
Okay. That's a really interesting thought. I've always associated algorithmic trading with those high-frequency traders.
Yeah.
You know, the ones that make those lightning-fast transactions, exploiting tiny price discrepancies.
Right. That's certainly one aspect of it. But algorithmic trading can also be used for more long-term strategies.
Oh, okay.
Like dollar cost averaging or portfolio rebalancing. It's about taking the emotion out of trading and executing your investment plan in a systematic way.
So instead of reacting to those market swings with fear or greed, you're essentially pre-programming your responses based on your predetermined criteria.
Precisely. It's about having a plan and sticking to it, regardless of what the market throws at you. And as these platforms become more user-friendly and accessible, I think we'll see a shift away from emotional trading and towards a more data-driven and disciplined approach.
That sounds like a positive development for the crypto ecosystem as a whole.
I think so.
A more rational and less volatile market could attract more institutional investors and mainstream adoption.
Absolutely. Increased institutional participation would bring much-needed liquidity and stability to the market, paving the way for a more mature and sustainable crypto ecosystem.
Okay, so we've got this exciting future potentially unfolding where algorithmic trading is becoming more mainstream, potentially leading to a more efficient and stable crypto market.
Right.
But what about the flip side? Are there any potential risks or downsides we should be aware of as this technology becomes more widespread?
There are always risks associated with new technologies, and algorithmic trading is no exception. One concern is the potential for unforeseen consequences. If a large number of traders are using similar algorithms, it could exacerbate market volatility or even trigger flash crashes.
Oh, wow. So it's like a herd mentality on steroids.
Yeah.
Where everyone's algorithms are reacting to the same signals, amplifying market swings.
Exactly. It's a complex system, and it's impossible to predict with certainty how it will behave as more participants enter the algorithmic trading arena.
Okay.
Another risk is the potential for misuse or manipulation.
Right.
Algorithmic trading can be used for both good and bad. And there's always the possibility that someone will exploit these tools for their own gain.
So just like any powerful technology, it can be used for both constructive and destructive purposes.
Exactly.
It kind of highlights the need for responsible development and ethical considerations as algorithmic trading becomes more prevalent.
Absolutely. And it also underscores the importance of regulation and oversight to prevent market manipulation and ensure a fair and transparent trading environment.
Right, because we don't want to see things get out of control.
No, we don't.
Okay, so as we navigate this exciting new era of algorithmic trading, it's crucial to strike a balance between innovation and regulation to foster a healthy and sustainable crypto market.
Couldn't agree more. And remember, knowledge is power. As more people embrace algorithmic trading, it's essential to educate yourself about how these systems work, understand the risks involved, and use them responsibly.
Well said. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the nuts and bolts of Coinrule to the broader implications of algorithmic trading for the future of crypto.
We have.
We've talked about the benefits, the risks, and the need for responsible use.
Yes.
It's been a fascinating deep dive. I'm really excited to see how this space continues to evolve.
Me too.
And what innovations lie ahead.
Definitely.
And for our listeners who are eager to learn more, don't forget to check out the show notes.
Please do.
We've got links to Coinrule, our recommended cold wallets, the ledger stacks, and Trezor Safe 5. And of course, our quiz and study guide to test your knowledge. And if you're new here, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Crypto Chatter so you don't miss any future episodes.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you in the next one.
Happy